is fading, the days grow cool. Goodbye to swimming and days by the pool. The leaves turn golden, the wind starts to blow. Summer is leaving, it's time for snow. The birds fly south, they chirp goodbye as clouds take over the bright blue sky. Pull out your sweaters, your hats, and your mitts. Winter is coming bit by bit. The days get shorter, the nights grow long. We'll sip on cocoa and sing winter songs. The snowflakes will dance, the frost will bite. Winter is coming, crisp and bright. But don't be sad as the seasons change. Each one is special in its own range. So wave to summer as it slips away, and welcome winter here to stay.